Greetings and welcome to the Materials Requirement Planning presentation. We are pleased you have selected our program to make you acquainted with Materials Requirement Planning, MRP, and its impact on supply chain management. As a supply chain professional, MRP will be an important tool for your function. Part of the responsibility of the supply chain professional is ensuring the process of getting product to your customer on time. A key part of making sure this happens is having a plan for the required materials. This is such a critical part of the supply chain function, and if not done correctly, it can be a catastrophe for the business. Therefore, the supply chain management specialist has to know the intricate details of properly utilizing this tool in order to be successful and to positively affect the company's ability to be profitable. Proper planning is part of any successful business. Some of the most crucial plans for an organization are business plans, sales plans, production plans, and material plans, just to name a few. Successfully trying these plans together to achieve one goal for the organization profitability is the result of having these plans. The inputs of planning occur in a trickle-down manner. It starts from the business plan, which is usually the focus of top corporate management. This encompasses information of the desired growth and overall health of the organization. In association with the business plan is a sales plan, which is developed by sales and manufacturing management. Heavily dependent on the information from the sales plan is the production plan, which is developed by either manufacturing management, plant management, or a joint effort from both. These plans provide the information that ultimately becomes the master production schedule. The master production schedule is generally the anticipated schedule of what finished goods have to be produced over a period of time, monthly, quarterly, or annually. In this master production schedule, manufacturing is planned at the level of product groups as established by collaborative efforts between the sales, manufacturing, finance, logistics, purchasing, and product development departments. The master production schedule is entered into an MRP system. Within the system, the gross requirements for all components needed to build the end product is determined. This determination is made by multiplying the item's quantities on the master production schedule by each item quantity required within the bill of material, which will result in the component gross requirements. Next, it must be determined what requirements are available from inventory or may already be on order. The net requirements are the items that are neither on order nor in inventory. On-hand inventory plus parts on order minus the component gross requirements equals the net requirements. MRP is a scheduling of these requirements based on when they will be needed to complete the finished product for on-time delivery to the customer. MRP is a tool that provides information to purchasing and to production revealing the quantities of items that must be acquired in order to manufacture a product. The report also reveals the date product must arrive at the manufacturing facility. After MRP is complete, production/plant management can then move forward to capacity planning. This topic will be discussed in another presentation. However, it is important to note how the two planning tools support each other. Capacity planning is used to determine whether there are sufficient resources in place to meet the production demand. If the available resources are not sufficient, the capacity plan will help to identify where the problems or bottlenecks that will affect the organization's ability to meet those demands will occur. Now back to MRP. MRP systems are only as accurate as the information entered into the system, garbage in, garbage out. For example, if the bills of materials contain information that is inaccurate, the output for MRP will be inaccurate. If the sales data is not accurate, data such as quantity ordered or ship date, then the MRP output will be incorrect. It would not be a good situation for the sales data to show a quantity ordered as 4 when the quantity ordered was 6, or vice versa. MRP is a critical tool for supply chain management, however, only if it is properly understood and implemented. If there is a lack of understanding of the MRP system and its purpose, this will lead to inaccurate information that can be costly to the organization and result in inadequacies in supporting your customer's demand. No organization can survive operating in this manner. In order to be an effective supply chain professional, An understanding of how to utilize an MRP system and ensure that all other departments are inputting proper information is important. Also, there is a wealth of information that can be derived from an MRP system to give feedback to management on how the business is operating and how the customers are being taken care of. Ultimately, you, the supply chain professional, should be able to show how you are properly managing the supply chain and keeping the organization profitable. Thank you once again for your time and attention, and this is businesstraining.com, where you can earn master's level qualifications to make more money.